Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warbirds over Delaware 2024. Folks, if you look back on some of the videos I shot, we have one for RC scale engines. Check this out. This is the gentleman who owns RC scale engines, and he's got one of his scale engines right in there. Look how realistic that looks, folks. You could put that inside one of your planes that has a radial engine. So folks, let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. And it's rcscaleengines.com, everybody. rcscaleengines.com. We'll have a link in the description for you. It's a Peashooter, correct, sir? Yep. I think it's a P-26 Peashooter, if I remember correctly.
Oh, you know what? Take the radio. I'll get,
yeah, you got the strap.
I got the strap. Grab these starboard too.
Right here. Over here, Mick.
Oh. Thank you. Go by and then we'll get my pen back. Are you?
Lean off.
Yep, we're up. You hold the clear button on top. It shuts off. Got it?
Shutting it off right now?
Yeah.
Off.
Very good.
I'm going to take a wild guess here, but I think that airplane
That's a Boeing P-26 Peashooter, if I'm not mistaken.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
Boeing P-26 Peashooter, everybody.
Okay, nobody's waving and throwing things at me, so I must be close. Sharp airplane.
It's a Peashooter.
Thank you, Sal. He confirmed it is a Peashooter. Gabby Grabreski flew these. Whoa. Yeah, well. Gabby Grabreski, ace of World War II. Wasn't Gabby, he was flying P-47s, wasn't he? Not at first. What was he, a P-38s? No, maybe I'm thinking of McGuire. Gabby racked up quite a record with the P-47 in World War II.
Landing.
Ooh, that's nice, folks. We call that Boeing butter right there. Smooth as glass. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that great engine right there. That wonderful detail. Folks, that could be on the front of your airplane if you visit rcscaleengines.com. All right, friends. More to come. Folks, continue our coverage here at Warbirds over Delaware. You just saw the P-26, the Boeing P-26 fly. Once again, it's owned by the gentleman who owns Scale RC Engine. And folks, here he is right now. Sir, tell us your name if you don't mind, please.
Hi guys, I'm Sean Ciana. I own Scale RC Engines. It's a small family company out of Connecticut. We make all sorts of different scales from 1/10 all the way up to half scale engines. We have 75 different engine varieties. We also are doing World War I guns, wing guns, cockpit kits. We just started getting into some pilots. We'll be releasing some giant scale pilots soon. We have our first prototype here on the ground. That's a half scale civilian pilot we'll be putting out.
Fantastic. Now this yellow cylinder engine, that's the one you had in the Boeing P-26, is that correct?
Correct. So the one I was flying was the Seagull models Peashooter. That's available in that green scheme like you see it, or a blue scheme. We have a direct fit for that airplane specifically. This is our generic version, so if we can either purchase a standard scale off the website, or you can email us for a custom diameter that we can do for your specific build.
And you've got a number of different engines here. Pratt & Whitney, you've got Wasp engines, I'm sure, is that correct? You've got some beautiful inline engines as well. Now if we come over here to the left, you've got some giant scale engines too, some massive giant scale. So if someone's got a large giant scale airplane, these will probably fit the plane, is that correct?
Yep, correct. So these are going to be our third scale World War I guys, and then a quarter scale World War II Wasp on the bottom there. That'd be like your Corsair, your P-47. Up here we have a Lerone and an Aubracero engine up here. But yeah, so these are the way you can get them right from us. We've sold quite a few of these. We have lots of customers that have giant scale World War I planes. What they'll do is they'll measure the inside of their cowling, they'll email us, we'll make up one of these for them and ship it in a couple different pieces. It takes about 10 minutes to put together. We've got a lot of great feedback on our giant World War I stock.
Fantastic. Well, folks, you saw how good the engine looked here in the Boeing P-26. Imagine how good that engine, a radial engine, is going to look. And folks, these are 3D printed, by the way, just so you know. My friend, you've done a beautiful job. Thank you for bringing such a great item to market.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for interviewing me.
All right, friends, more to come.